Here we are at the First Christian Church here in Madisonville, Kentucky, where the Arboretum tour is going to be. So let's get to see all this nice loveliness. We got some hidden gems along the way up in there. Little garden spaces and whatnots tucked away everywhere. Pretty out there. See all that loveliness. And then up here we have the Pollinator garden that we have here at the Arboretum, First Christian Church. Mary Haley's here. We got nice little paths in there that you can walk through, little benches you could sit on, and plants. A lot of the plants are labeled, not everything though. You still gotta find those signs. Work in progress for sure. Many hands make for light work. And then up here is our community garden where we grow food for the local food shelter.